In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert the short form or a symbol of "and" on a document using your keyboard. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, as you can see here, I've inserted the "and" sign on my document, and I'd like to go ahead and show you how I did exactly that. To do that, we need to go ahead and use the number 7 key on your computer, and you can see it here. If you look carefully, you can see the "and" sign, short form or sign on number 7 key. Don't worry if your key doesn't have that sign. Still, that number 7 key will still perform that function if you follow these instructions. Now, if I go ahead and tap or hit number 7 key, it will go ahead and insert number 7 and not the "and" sign in my document. Now, to do that, you need to go ahead and change the function of your number 7 key on your keyboard by using the shift key here. So all you need to do is to go ahead and press on shift on your keyboard and make sure you hold that shift down, and then use the other finger and press on number 7. Now, if you do that with the shift button pressed, you can see it will add the short form of "and" on your document. Now you can go ahead and type as many as you can as long as the shift button is pressed down. So that's how you do it on your keyboard. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.